So, how often has it happened that you met the perfect guy? He's funny, charming, into all of the same interests that you are, insightful, thoughtful, and you just don't know how to tell him. It may seem a little demeaning in this day and age to simply say, "You have a great personality," but how else do we tell him that his personality is riveting, electrifying, and wonderful? Rather than focusing on typical physical attribute, how do we compliment the things that we can't see, but rather feel? It may seem daunting, especially given the intimacy of complimenting or engaging in someone's personality rather than just their exterior. But if you keep calm and stay earnest, it won't be as difficult as you fear. Guys especially probably aren't used to hearing compliments about their personalities, and so will welcome any they receive. So here's 9 elements to consider. Number 1. Compliment his little quirks or habits. If you pay attention to certain things they do that stand out to you, then let them know. Something as simple as, "Hey, I noticed that you help strangers carry things to their car when they need help. I think that's really nice of you." Or, "It's cute when you rub your nose while thinking." Can be very effective. It also shows that you notice the little things they do and that it doesn't go without remark. Number 2. How do they make you feel? This can be another topic to touch on when you're trying to compliment a guy's personality. Whether romantically inclined or not, do you have a lot of fun when you're with him? Does his calm personality calm you down in turn? If you can pinpoint what kind of effect he has on you, then let him know. A lot of guys probably aren't used to hearing specifics like this about their personality, and it can make them feel really validated and special. Number 3. Compliment the efforts he puts into his endeavors. Regardless of whether he is successful in what he attempts or not, the fact that a guy puts in a certain amount of effort into anything he does is significant, and having that effort be seen and noticed can really make him feel good about himself. It shows that you're thankful for his effort and his willingness to try. Some examples would be, "Wow, that looks difficult. I wouldn't be able to do that. Great work." Or, "You're so hardworking." Could be a great way to compliment a guy's effort. Number 4. Compliment his intelligence. A huge aspect of anyone's personality, not just men, is their intelligence and intellect. If he's smart or clever, let him know. You could try saying something like, "That's such a good idea. Why didn't I think of that?" Or, "Wow, that's really clever." You could even remark on little shows of his intelligence, such as complimenting his ability to do mental math quickly or knowing how to solve problems accurately. It may seem like such a simple type of compliment, but a little can go a long way to make someone feel appreciated and of value. Number 5. Humor. Is he funny, witty, clever, make you pee your pants laughing funny? Or is he of a more subtle, dry humor, you only realize it's funny until you thought about it, kind of funny? Regardless, if his jokes or quips make you laugh, then laugh freely. Don't be shy or embarrassed. You can also just tell him point blank that he's funny. He'll appreciate that you also find this kind of humor amusing. This is another aspect of a person's personality that doesn't usually get too many compliments, so let him know. Number 6. Remark on his interests and hobbies. Oftentimes, people are shy to open up about what their interests or hobbies are, for fear of being judged or being thought to be boring. But if you comment on how his hobbies are really interesting or unique, then you'll be validating him and showing him that you appreciate what he's into as well. Let him know that you think it's really interesting or special that he has certain hobbies, or ask questions to get him talking about the specifics of what he's interested in. You can comment on the fact that maybe not too many people have the same interests as he does, and that it is truly special and unique. This will make him feel like he is special and one of a kind. Number 7. Compliment his taste in music. By extension, a person's taste in music can say a lot about their personality and outlook on life. Do you think that his taste in music is exceptional? Let him know. Tell him that you really like that song that he's playing in the car, or ask him how he found such cool bands or musicians. Music is a very intimate part of someone's personality, and complimenting a guy's taste in music can, by extension, make them feel appreciated as a person. Number 8. Compliment the way he dresses. This may seem a little counterintuitive to complimenting a guy's personality, but the way someone dresses actually has a lot to do with their personality. Is he more subtle and laid back, or does he grab attention? Choosing an outfit often is a statement about someone's personality. Did they put a lot of care and thought into it, or did they decide that it wasn't worth the trouble and threw on whatever they had? Either way, complimenting a guy's outfit or clothing can make him feel like the way he presents himself to the world is noticed and appreciated. Lastly, number 9, compliment a guy's communication and interpersonal relationships. Does he have a good relationship with his family? Is he good at communicating and interacting with others? A person's interpersonal skills says a lot about the kind of person he is. Let him know if you find that the way he interacts with others is responsible, mature, or wholesome and healthy. You could say something like, I think it's sweet that you call your parents to catch up, or you were really good at interacting with your coworkers. Letting him know that he conducts himself around others in a way that is flattering and impressive will show him that you value and appreciate his temperament and interpersonal skills. So those are the 9 elements to consider, and I hope you learned something. I'll see you next week.